Juice, babe. Hush.
We got William on the video. You always wanted to be on the video. We got William. Yeah, we got William. Just a second in that video, man. Make sure you guys follow the gram and subscribe to the channel. Today we got William again. And we at Crown Customs right now. Look at the sunset. That's beautiful. Alright, anyways. We got a G right here, and then the LED emblem. So we about to put this in for my guy right here. Yeah, so we gonna figure it out. We got the wire tappers or whatever.
What's up, brother? How you doing?
And then he got his grill right here. So that's what's up.
What is that, plastic?
Hey, subscribe. Yeah, it's like some plastic shit. I just redid it.
Nice.
Subscribe to the channel.
Well, you want to shout out your channel?
YouTube.com/SpaceCJ.
Okay, bet.
Yes,
I'll probably put it up there. I'll make him send me the name or whatever. So I'll put it up there for him. He came through and copped the LED emblem.
What this was gonna go on your car, but you didn't do it?
This is for the coupe.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
So I just
Bring
picked
the
it up.
grill over here, brother. Bring the
The
grill.
grill. I just picked it up because my boy Will from Crown Customs. Hold on, I got that crown.
Yeah, I just don't wanna pinch on the wire. Oh no, it actually looks pretty damn good.
But here we go. We got the wire in the back.
No, I was just checking if so the wires don't get pinched. You don't want to pinch your wires.
Oh yeah.
Perfect. There you go.
Wait, I got the.
You know what I would actually do with this?
What's up?
I would actually drill a hole right there. Drill a hole right there, and then drill another hole right there, and then put a metal, you know, those wires, those thin wires that we have, and tie it together, because you could kind of see like they're slipping a little bit.
Yeah, because it's not probably in enough.
Yeah, but like when I move it from side to side, you know what I mean? See how it goes? See, it feels like
It's gonna fall out.
I'd rather have it just stay in there permanently.
You guys see all the whips? Vet, Tesla. There, we should get the doors open. Go ahead.
Oh, thank you.
Go on the bottom of the toolbox.
It's recording. Alright, so we gotta take out the air box for this. Did not know that because the sedan you could get to them like pretty kind of easier than the coupe. So, yay for having a stupid Nissan. I should have never took that out. Could have been easier, guys. Alright, so now we're in there. This is the green and white wire. I got it in, so I'm gonna try to clamp it on the wire. See?
Here, let me like try holding it up.
Yeah. Friggin' fit.
No. Alright.
There you go. So you finally got this to clamp down on that wire. And then afterwards, you gotta get this thing in. But you have to connect this to the wire or whatever. So you want this in there, which we're gonna do right now. Hopefully this setup works. Otherwise, we just did all that for nothing, basically. So that would be good.
I think it'll work. Let's pray it works.
So, and we're so boom. Put this wire in there. Down just so it doesn't move and stuff. I guess you could try turning it on.
Wait, hold this.
Oh my god. I hope. So you got the light working at least. Okay. This is ground. So we just have to tap it into a light. I don't know. I guess you have to take the airbox back off. I should have just never put it back on. I don't know. And then we gotta find the wire. But we got it working decently. So at least we know it works. It looks good.
Looks good. Looks good, yeah.
We're tapped into the wrong wire. Alright, I don't know if you guys could see that much. It's kind of hard. Hold on, I'm trying to see where the wiring and stuff is. Alright, it's kind of hard. Can you go a little bit, like, yeah. Alright, you guys could barely, oh, there it is. Alright, so you guys can see it. It's like the pink wire back there. the pink wire, and now this is like the negative or whatever. I'm just trying to show all of it. Once I get it on this negative, this light does turn on. So just getting to that wire is just a pain in the ass. That's why I didn't show that process. I literally went through taking the airbox off. I put it on this wire and all that stuff. Now I have to get a socket to take this off real quick, and then I could just put the negative under there and call it a day. So yeah, we're gonna do that real quick. Here we go.
Is it record? Oh, it's recording like there. Wait.
Alright, go.
Oh, I see you. Yeah.
Just put this down.
Yeah.
There you go. Alright, so I'm just unscrewing this so I could basically use that as my negative. So I'm just gonna. Here, you could turn the lights off real quick. Sorry.
What's up?
So we'll pause this. Alright, right now I'm once again connecting it under here, I guess. So making sure that connection's under there, and this is the ground, and should be decent. Alright, you can turn your light on again. I'll hold this.
Yeah.
So hopefully, yes, sir. So that works.
That looks nice, bro.
Oh, that's a pain in the ass. That is a pain in the ass, guys. I'm like the only coupe guy to do it. So look, once again, you have to tap that wire, the pink wire in the back of there, and get it working. So yeah, that's pretty dope though. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really mad that it's not on my car, but yeah, got my car out here. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. I'm exhausted. Follow the gram, do all that. Hold on, follow the gram, G, subscribe to the channel.
Hey, subscribe to this channel. Subscribe. He knows what the fuck he's doing.
I kinda know what I'm doing. I'm just doing shit, but yeah. So here you go. Y'all see that? It is lit, literally. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed and seen something how to do this. Definitely challenged me a little bit, but yeah.